So I'm gonna use my Denman brush, my curl smoothie from Shea Moisture, my Eco Styler, and then some hair clip and some hair ties. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair so that my style can stay in for a couple days. And you can see how my hair is really smooth and soft, and this is because I'm actually using Shea Moisture since now about 2-3 weeks. So if you want a review on the whole line, make sure to comment it below. So now what I'm going to do is actually part my hair on the side because I want my braid out to be on the side. Once I'm done that, I'm going to take small parts and I'm actually going to part away the front, and then I'm going to just do some braids using my Shea Moisture and my Eco Styler combined together to have a slick, nice look when I take off my braids in the next day. And then I'm gonna show you for more braids that I did. So I'm just applying both of the products that I'm using for the braids, and then I'm brushing to make sure I have no tangle or anything in my hair, and then I'm gonna braid it. For the front, I'm also gonna braid down on my scalp so that my hair on top doesn't look too frizzy and they're still pretty much down when I take them out. And then I'm going to use some gel, Eco Styler gel, to actually slick my edges down in the front. I don't want to do baby hairs yet. I just want to slick them down and make sure that my hair are really taking the products in. So I'm gonna leave my braids overnight. So what I'm going to be using is my satin bonnet that I make myself and that I'm selling on my website tania.kns.com. So here it is, and you can also have a scarf if you rather have a scarf that is also on sale on my website tania.kns.com. So the scarf is really going to help secure the braids down and not have any frizz. The bonnet is going to do the same thing, but it's going to cover your whole head. So you can combine both of them if you want. So here we are the next day. I'm just going to take my hair out, and I'm basically going to use a mix of oil that I'm going to apply to all of my braids first, and then I'm going to use it on my fingers and my hands to make sure that I have no frizz when I take off my braids. And then I'm going to use a comb, a wide tooth comb, to make sure that I have more volume on my hair when I have my hair out, my braid out. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video.